We're out here in the midst of a swarm. I don't know if you can hear it, but maybe you can see it. Looks like they're going to congregate in this apple tree here, and then we're going to try to capture it after a bit. Lots and lots of bees. So hopefully we'll get this today. I'm all ready to put them in a new home if we can capture them.
All over the blueberry bush too. Starting to congregate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I bet this blueberry bush too.
Yeah.
Love to. Can you tell where they're going?
Well, we're going to have to just wait and see where they end up landing. We're going to get a couple of brood chambers set up close by here. Hopefully they'll take an interest in it and we won't have to work too hard to capture them. Lots and lots of bees. Fun, fun, fun. We'll come back in a few minutes, see what's going on.